During the recent Ukrainian attack on two oil rigs in the Black Sea, which were occupied by Russian forces, the Russian workers who unwittingly filmed the drone strike were heard laughing at the sight of the drone as it flew close to them.
Да, это беспилотник. Да блин, где ты там? Да нет, конечно. Не вижу. Не вижу.
But they soon panicked and swore repeatedly after it struck the refinery, with one shouting to run away.
Такие дела, чуваки. Такие дела. НПЗшку бахнули.
The smile on the faces of Russian workers was soon replaced by fear and horror in their hearts when they realized that a small Ukrainian drone could inflict such enormous damage. It is obvious that the Russians can never understand one simple thing, and that is that no army and no force of arms can defeat the will of the people to fight for their freedom and for their country. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.